You just arrived at your hotel after a long flight. You walk up to the front desk and the receptionist smiles at you. Do you know what to say? After this video, you will. You're going to learn 10 essential English phrases for checking in, asking for help, and checking out of any hotel. These phrases work everywhere, from budget motels to five-star resorts. Let's get started.
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Alex Chen.
Welcome, Mr. Chen. Let me pull that up. Yes, I see it here. A standard room for 3 nights, is that correct?
That's right. Actually, could I get a room with a view if one is available?
Let me check. Yes, we do have a room on the 12th floor with a city view. It's an extra $20 per night. Would you like that?
Sure, that sounds great. What time is checkout, by the way?
Checkout is at 11 a.m., but we do offer late checkout until 1 p.m. for $15.
Good to know. And is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is served from 6:30 to 10 a.m. in the restaurant on the second floor.
Perfect. One more thing. The Wi-Fi isn't working on my phone. Can you help?
Of course. The network name is Hotel Guest, all one word, and the password is on this card. If it still doesn't work, just call the front desk.
Thanks. Could I also get some extra towels sent to my room?
Absolutely. I'll have housekeeping bring those up right away. Is there anything else?
Actually, how do I get to the pool?
Take the elevator to the third floor, turn left, and you'll see the signs. The pool is open until 10 p.m.
Great, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Hi, I'd like to check out room 1215.
Of course. Everything looks good. Your total is $460. How would you like to pay?
Credit card, please. And could you call me a taxi to the airport?
Sure thing. The taxi will be here in about 10 minutes. Thank you for staying with us.
Great job listening. Now let's break down each phrase so you understand exactly how to use them. Phrase 1. I have a reservation under. This is the first thing you say when you arrive. Under means the name connected to the booking. You can say, I have a reservation under Alex Chen or just under my name. Phrase 2. Could I get a room with a view? This is how you ask for something better. Could I get is a polite way to request something. You can also ask, is there a room with a view available? Phrase 3. What time is checkout? You need to know when to leave. Checkout means leaving. Check-in means arriving. Simple. Phrase 4. Is breakfast included? This means, does breakfast come with the room price? Included means it's part of what you're paying, no extra cost. Phrase 5. Could I have a late checkout? Sometimes you want to sleep in. A late checkout means leaving after the normal time. Most hotels will let you stay an extra hour or two for a small fee. Phrase 6. The Wi-Fi isn't working. This is how you report any problem. You can use the same pattern for anything. The TV isn't working, the air conditioning isn't working, the shower isn't working. Just change the item. Phrase 7. Could I get some extra towels? Need more of something? Use could I get some extra, then add the item. Extra towels, extra pillows, extra blankets, extra hangers. It works for everything. Phrase 8. How do I get to the pool? This is how you ask for directions inside the hotel. How do I get to the gym? How do I get to the restaurant? How do I get to the parking garage? Same pattern every time. Phrase 9. I'd like to check out. When you're ready to leave, walk to the front desk and say this. Always mention your room number. I'd like to check out, room 1215. Phrase 10. Could you call me a taxi? Need a ride? Ask the front desk. Could you call me a taxi? Could you call me an Uber? Could you arrange a shuttle to the airport? They're happy to help. Now it's your turn. I'll say each phrase, then you repeat it out loud. Ready? Let's practice. Repeat after me. I have a reservation under my name. I have a reservation under my name. Repeat after me. Could I get a room with a view? Could I get a room with a view? Repeat after me. What time is checkout? What time is checkout? Repeat after me. Is breakfast included? Is breakfast included? Repeat after me. Could I have a late checkout? Could I have a late checkout? Repeat after me. The Wi-Fi isn't working. The Wi-Fi isn't working. Repeat after me. Could I get some extra towels? Could I get some extra towels? Repeat after me. How do I get to the pool? How do I get to the pool? Repeat after me. I'd like to check out. I'd like to check out. Repeat after me. Could you call me a taxi? Could you call me a taxi? Excellent. If you got all 8, you're ready to order food anywhere in America? Quick quiz. I'll describe a situation. You say the right phrase. Ready? Number 1. You just arrived at the hotel. You want to get your room key. What do you say? I have a reservation under my name. Number 2. The shower in your room isn't working. How do you tell the front desk? The shower isn't working. Number 3. You want to leave the hotel later than 11 a.m. What do you ask? Could I have a late checkout? Number 4. You need to find the gym. What do you say? How do I get to the gym? Amazing! If you got all 4, you're ready for any hotel in the world. That's it for today. You just learned 10 essential hotel phrases. Write your favorite one in the comments. I want to see which phrase you think is the most useful. If this video helped you, subscribe and hit the bell. Next time, we're going to learn phrases for taking public transportation, buses, trains, and subways. I'll see you in the next lesson.